you want to make money online, then you literally need to watch this video till the end, because I got things that I'm going to show you in this video that is going to make you money online. So you need to put in the work. I'm going to show you the work you need to do, and how you are going to make this money. So if you're interested, make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon, watch this to the end. Now let's go. Now the first thing we need to do is, let me explain the business model to you guys. Okay, so in the business model, we literally need to sell products. Okay, so we literally need to sell digital products. Now I'm going to show you where to find those digital products, okay, that you need to sell, and how you need to go about it. Now if you go to this website called indigitalworks.com, okay, so this is indigitalworks. Okay, if you go to this website, this is a free PLR products. Now PLR products stands for private private license right or something. Yeah, so you have the license to resell these products you're going to be finding on this website. So they have thousands of products that you can resell and make money. This is not an affiliate stuff, but they will give you the product so you can use the product for yourself. You can also use the product to grow your email list, to generate leads, to do a lot of stuff. Okay, so this is it. So you can try indigitalworks for free. Okay, so I should have a link in the description box below, or you just go to indigitalworks.com and sign up. Now once you sign up, you are going to get access to a whole lot of products. So if I go to products here, and we are going to find that we have a lot of products, but if I go to free products, then we can select either video, software, ebooks, free templates, free graphics, or free audios. Now depending on what you want to sell, so let me say I want to sell video courses to people, high quality video courses. So I'll just click on free videos. Now what is going to happen is it's going to open up the video section for us. Okay, so I want you to keep watching, because I have some ideas and some tactics to show you that is literally going to make you money. Okay, first thing is to get the knowledge. The next thing is to actually practicalize these things I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is it now. So as you can see, these are free video courses. Now this first one says their products launch tips and tricks. This one says easy duplicate your WordPress site. This one says the power of video upgrade. Now these are free products or free videos that are in this website, and you can resell. You have the right to resell these products and keep 100% of the profit. This is not an affiliate store where you divide payments and all the stuff. Affiliate is good as well, but this is, you know, something good. So as you can see, action blogging, this is a free course, and you can sell this. Better email marketing, people are looking for email marketing courses, so you can sell this. So if I click on better email marketing now, we're going to find all the rights and everything we need to do. So look at this. This is stuff about the product. Better email marketing is a video course that will help you or email marketing campaign and become profitable, and so on and so forth. And these are the things you should do. Can be sold, as you can see, can be for personal use, can be packed with other products, and a whole lot of them. So these are the things you should not do with these products. Cannot modify or change the main product, cannot change the graphics and e-cover, can't be given away for free. So you're not supposed to give away these products for free. You cannot add this stuff to your free membership website, but you can add it to a paid membership. You cannot convey and sell master reseller rights, and yeah, these are what you can do and cannot do with this product. So we can also preview the page. So right now if I click on preview, it's going to say please log into preview, and yeah, so let me see if I can log in now so that we can be able to preview this product and see exactly what it is. So I want you to watch this video to the end, because it's a detailed video. This is not something I just want to brush through. It's actually going to be detailed, so watch it to the end. Yeah, so guys, right now I'm logged in into the website right now. So what I need to do is, remember, we want to view this product. So I click on preview. It's actually going to load and show me this link. So once I click on this, I can click on better email marketing mp4. So what is going to happen is going to play the video. Okay, this is the intro. This is one of the video, and we can just preview it. As you can see, so guys, this is it. This is lovely, guys. We did not create this stuff, but we can actually sell this stuff to people that actually needs it. This is not a crappy product. Okay, so I'll always advise you to make sure you look at the product you want to sell, watch it, make sure it's actually providing value. If it's not something that is going to provide value, leave it, because the aim of we selling this thing is to provide value to people that are going to buy it. Okay, because if they get the value that they want, then they can come back asking for more from you. So yeah, so this is it, and I believe this product is good and lovely. So you can also view image, I think. Yeah, you can also view the e-cover and everything. You can preview everything before you download. So this is what the e-cover is, and as you can see, it's lovely, it's world class. So you leave it. So now what you can do now is you can easily download this product. As you can see here, download, it's free, don't need to pay. So once you've downloaded this product, I think you get two things. I think you get the video itself and the email and the png, that is the book cover itself. So yeah, this, once you have this thing now set up, so what you need to do now is platform where you can sell these products. Now remember, I just did this for one product. You can go to this free product, you can sell softwares, you can sell ebooks, you can sell templates and themes, you can find free graphics, free audios, I mean a whole bunch of things. Okay, I just use this one as an example, so you can do a whole lot of stuff. So as you can see here, 13 ways to make squeeze page. There's a whole lot of products on this website. So once you have done all these things and you have gotten all the products you want, you've downloaded everything, I think they also have a membership, paid membership stuff. So if you pay, you even get access to more too. So yeah, if it's something you want to use for your business, you can pay for it and get access to more stuff. Okay, because this free one, almost everybody has access to it. Okay, so yeah, so once you've gotten this, now we need to sell it on a page. So we can either do this thing in two ways. You can use Google Sites, which I normally talk about on my channel, sites.google.com. So if you go to sites.google.com, you can create a squeeze page. A squeeze page is normally just you telling them about the product and inserting a form where they can fill their email address and password. Okay, so you can create a page, or you can just create a simple payment page. Okay, like what you see right now. Let me open this one. This is one I use for one of my videos. Yeah, you can create similar page just like this. You just put header here and talk about put the product image, talk about the product image, put the pricing, buy now, or you add your video here, the video you downloaded, just the intro video, so that your customer know exactly what the video is going to do for them. Put the description here, put the amount and link to buy the product. So very simple. Now if you want to add link to buy the product, you can either use Flutterwave, which you can come to Flutterwave settings, go to main settings, go to payment links, and payment links here, and create payment link. Now before you come to Flutterwave, make sure you've uploaded the products to your drive. So either you use Google Drive or you use any cloud services you're using. Upload the product to your cloud service, take the product link, and then come over here, create a payment link, and make sure after creating a payment link you click on advanced tools, and forward your customers. People that have made successful payments will be forwarded to that link where the product is, so that they can be able to download it and have it to themselves. Okay, so if you don't want to go through this route I just explained, you can go through a much more simpler route, which is using Seller. Yes guys, I've talked about Seller on my channel. So Seller is an online tool where you can sell your products, either physical or digital products. Yes, you can do that with Seller here. Okay, so but they are mainly for digital products. So once you sign up on Seller, you have access to a lot of things. So you can sell digital products, ebook, courses and membership, physical goods, services and ticketing and training, a whole bunch of stuff you can do with Seller. And this is a demo store that they created for you to test out, and yeah, it's looking nice. So let's say we like this stuff, we click on view, we can see it here, see the description and see the amount, and we can buy. Remember, while setting up your Seller account, you'll be asked the currency, your default currency, your bank details and all those information. So you are going to provide it to them, so that whenever you have a successful order, they are going to send the payments into your bank account. So if you want to allow multiple currency, people can change currency, maybe from, like you can see here, it's on NGN, you want it on United States dollars, you can set it on your seller store so that all payments will be in United States dollars. So that's what I love about, that's one thing I love about the platform. That's multi-currency. Great. So once you can easily upload that product right here on seller. So you can go after creating your account, then you can go to products and upload the product. Now let me try and log into my account and log in and show you exactly how to upload and go about adding your products. So this is my account. Okay, I just have 2 products, and this is a new account. I've literally not done anything with this account yet, but I just want to use it to show you something. So right now, if I go to seller, let me go to dashboard. Yeah, this is the dashboard right now. So if I go to products here, this is where I'm going to upload products. Go to products. As you can see, we have 2 products right here, so you can easily click on add new products. As you can see, add a product. So once you click on add a product, then you can set type of product it is: physical, digital, ticket, subscription service, hosted on seller or something. So you can easily just create it. So you can easily just create digital products. If it's a video, you can select anyone, then you need to fill out the product information here. This is very simple. Okay, so I'm literally going to skip this part. So you can easily upload the file of those videos you just downloaded right here. So whenever they make payments, they have access to the file. Okay, so very simple. You can be sleeping and people buy your products and they have access to their products immediately. That's the best route to take. Now, once if you have done all these things, you've seen your products, you have set up your e-commerce, you sell your product, everything is done. Now, how do you make sales? Because the first step is for you to do all this thing I just explained. Okay, now how you actually make sales is by you promoting, and you have 2 ways to go about that. Okay, that is why I say you should watch this video to the end. 2 ways to promote your product. The first one is using free traffic, and the second one is using paid traffic. Okay, now whichever one you want to use, you need to work for it. Okay, so if you're going to use free traffic, then you need to go to wherever you have an audience. Okay, if it's YouTube, if it's Facebook, if it's Instagram, if it's TikTok, make sure the product you are promoting actually solve those people's problem that you want them to see your products. Those people you want to buy your products, make sure to look for them on all the social media platforms and reach out to those people so that they can be able to see your product, because the more eyeballs on your product, the more your chances of making sales. Okay, so you want to make sure you promote it to them. Now you can do that like on Facebook group, on Facebook pages, on LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, wherever you have an audience. Even if you don't have an audience, you can create an audience, grow an audience, and try to sell your products to them. That using the free method. Now, most of the times, this free method, people don't have patience for it, because it actually needs patience. Because especially if you don't have an audience, if you are just starting out, nobody knows you, so nobody wants to buy from you. But if you have an audience, or you have some followers, or you have good listeners or audience, and they can actually buy products from you, then you can do it. But if you don't have, and you really want to make sales, you want to make sure this thing works for you, then you can do traffic. Okay, so the paid traffic I'm talking about is you doing Google ads or Facebook ads or Instagram ads or all those things. Now in today's video, I'm going to talk about Google ads. Okay, so if you go to ads.google.com or Google AdWords, you are going to be brought straight to where you're going to create an account if it's your first time. So go through the process of creating your account, and you're going to land to the dashboard. So this is my Google account, one of my Google Ads account, the one I've used to promote products and services in the time past. Okay, so once you're here, what you want to do is to promote your products. Okay, now I have a full Google Ads video where I showed you exactly how to promote your website or whatever thing on Google. I did 2 videos, how to promote on Google Ads and how to promote YouTube videos on YouTube Ads. So 2 of them I'm going to in the description box below. They are really going to help you, and if I don't link it in the description box below, come over to my channel. Let me actually show you so that you can take advantage of it. Come over to my channel, and let me go to YouTube right now and show you exactly everything, because I might forget to link it in the description box below. So if I don't do that, come over to my channel here. Let me go to my channel. Sorry. Okay, your channel. So come over to my channel, and let me show you the video that is really going to help you. So go to videos and scroll down. Let me show you the video which I made on Google Ads. So this is it, Google Ads A to Z full course. So if you watch this video, you are going to get all the information you need about Google Ads, and this one is for YouTube ads. Okay, YouTube ads A to Z. Okay, very simple. Two of them are going to walk you through on how you can get paid traffic to your website. Okay, you're going to be paying anywhere, depending on the kind of campaign you run. You're not going to be spending much, so you can bring out $20 for a campaign and try to maximize it. Okay, and see exactly how it goes. Okay, so guys, this is the platform. This is how you make money. Okay, you can't make money by not doing anything. So you literally need to work. Okay, so you need to find products. These products are here already in Digital Works. Find the product, make sure it's a good product that has a lot of value to offer to people. Set up pages or a sales page, or use a free tool like Seller. Upload your products there. Make sure you target the right audience, the right people that needs the products. Make sure you are in front of their eyes, either by doing it organically by free method or by paying for traffic. Okay, so do any of those two, and once you do that, trust me, you start making sales. Okay, it might not be immediately, but you will start making sales, and little by little the payment will be dropping, and you will thank yourself you actually took this step. Okay, so this is how you make money online. If you have any question at all, tell me in the comment section. If you want me to do any video for, also tell me in the comment section. Okay guys, I believe this video was very helpful, and you learned one or two things from it. So I want you to take action now. Go and practicalize what you've learned from this video, and tell me what you feel, or what you think, or what really happened. And yeah, I'll be glad to hear your story. So I'll end this video now. Make sure to watch my videos that are going to be dropping soon. Okay guys, I'll see you guys in my next video.